Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Valentine's gift bag framed art, and I'm using this 8x10 frame, this gift bag that I got from Dollar Tree, as well as this clip art that I printed out from my computer. And I cut down the side of a foam brush because I just needed a smaller size foam brush. Of course, some scissors, some Mod Podge, as well as a hot glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the side of the bag that has the foil effect on it. Of course, the other side is just plain. I knew I wanted to do a framed gift bag art, but I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do to it until I got this idea. So I'm just cutting the gift bag down to size. And for the clip art, you'll see that I cut the lips out of it, and it was because I wanted to place it right here where one side is pink, one side is red. And using a little bit of Mod Podge and the sponge, I'm going to adhere it to the gift bag. So now, using some black glitter that I also got from Dollar Tree, I'm going to put some newspapers down first of all, because you know glitter gets everywhere. And then I'm going to use a bit of Mod Podge, and I'm going to sponge it just throughout the hair. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of that black glitter over it to add a little bit of sparkle to this framed artwork. Okay, so now it's ready to put back in the frame. And I'm going to put everything back, everything that came with it. Both that piece of cardboard there as well as the backing. And there it is. And it could be good just like that, but I wanted to add something more to it. So what I did, I took some of this $1 red trim that I hauled from the Target dollar spot, and this is actually scalloped red trim that was $1 from Target, and I just put that outside of the frame all the way around. And you know, looking at it afterwards, I thought it kind of made it look like a stamp. Doesn't it look like a stamp now with the edges scalloped like that? So now I'm taking some of these red heart table scatters from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make them cascade around her face, and I'm going to take them all the way up as if they're cascading off of the frame. And you'll see that one that I added at the top to make it look like it's kind of floating off the frame. And then I used some roses from a DIY that I did last year to make the wreath. I'll link that video for you. And these are roses from that same DIY from last year. So I'm disassembling the rose. And when you disassemble the rose, the petals of the flower kind of lay flat and open, like you see the ones I've already glued down. So I'm just showing you how I did it. Here I only have 4, but I did end up adding a 5th one for fullness. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to adhere that to this one side of the frame. And right in the center, I'm going to use a red acrylic gem from the Dollar Tree as the center of the rose. You could also use the red heart scatters if you don't have the red acrylic gems. And here it is, guys. This is the final project, and I think this is got to be my favorite Valentine's DIY that I've done so far. You can see I added an extra heart scatter to the bottom to give the effect that it's floating from off the frame, through the frame, around her face, and then kind of floating off the frame again. And I love the effect of the pink foil and red foil showing through her lips and the sparkle in her hair. It's such a cute and unique piece, and it just goes to show you that there's so much more you can do with a Dollar Tree gift bag. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please subscribe for more DIYs and hauls, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.